Hi, I'm Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Welcome to the video. I'm just going to talk briefly about my new book, Warm-Up Exercises for Bass Players. Now this book has got over 70 exercises that I've written specifically for this book and to help you out with your bass warm-ups. The book starts with some drills that focus on right hand and then left hand technique. And then I've grouped the rest of the exercises into 7 sets. And each set focuses on a particular technical challenge that you might come across while playing the bass guitar. There's a virtuoso exercise at the end of each set, and this is for those of you that really want to challenge yourself. I've put metronome markings at the start of each exercise, and that's a tempo for you to aim for over time gradually. So I'd expect you to start them slowly and then gradually use the metronome to speed them up to full tempo. I've divided the book up into 2 parts. So the first part has got standard notation, and then the second part are all the same exercises again, this time with tab. So you can also use this book to practice your reading. You get a free MP3 download with the book, and this contains audio examples for all of the exercises. You also get a free PDF practice planner that you can use to design your own short and long warm-ups. The book comes in 2 formats, so you've got the printed version, which you can get from Amazon, and while you're on the website you can use the look inside feature to look at a few of the pages, so that's from Amazon. And also you've got a digital download you can get from my website, gbshed.com. So that looks really great on an iPad, I think, so you can just have that on your music stand and flick through all the exercises on that, or you can load it onto your computer and your phone, although I find it a bit small for my phone. You can even print out the PDF as well. You'll find all the links for the warm-up book below this video in the description if you're viewing this on YouTube, or head over to the books section of my website, gbshed.com. Again, I've put a link below the video. If you've got any questions about the book, then please leave a comment below. I make sure that I check those, or you can get in touch with me directly through the contact page of my website, gbshed.com. Now I'm really proud of this book and I've had some great feedback already, so I'm sure you're going to love it. So grab your copy today and get started on your warm-up.